New just listed home, 2083 Northwest 57th Court, Ocala, Florida, by David Emerio from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,731 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Upon entering, beautiful wood floors accent the spacious living room, which opens effortlessly to a versatile Florida room perfect for relaxing. Seamlessly connected, the fully equipped kitchen stands ready with sleek appliances and generous counter space. The thoughtful floor plan features a primary sanctuary complete with a walk-in closet, along with a second comfortable bedroom. These rooms are served by 2 full bathrooms, including a private ensuite. Adding to the appeal, the home boasts an additional bonus room for flexibility. Outside, the lifestyle continues with a screened patio and a low-maintenance yard, all located in a desirable 55-plus Gulf community. This gem won't last long. Act now.